Alright guys, John Chicken Ship Farms back here today. I've got a little ammo deal I found online. I got this from Steel City Ammo. I found it on ammoseek.com. I don't know if you guys ever use that, but ammo you're going to see in the video today and then another video I'm doing all came from ammoseek. So I ordered this 2 weeks ago and I got it last week. This is Yugo. Alright guys, what I was saying was this is Yugo Surplus. I really don't know a whole lot about it, so I can't really tell you if it's corrosive primer or not. I know some places I was looking says it's not, and some other places said, well, we don't know, and then some other guys are like, well, maybe, but I have no way to, I don't know. And yeah, I can't really read that. I did do a little bit of translation on this, and I'll actually put the screenshot that I have that translate this as best it can. But it is 762 by 39. It is 123 grain, full metal jacket, brass case. I had no idea when I ordered this that they all came on stripper clips, but it's 200 rounds. It's all on stripper clips. Shipped to the house, it was $108.33. So around 54 cents a round, but as you can see, the primer there, it's got that red stuff on it there. Brass case 762. I do try to get this stuff whenever I can find a halfway decent deal on it. With the brass and the climate today, it's really hard to find this stuff reasonable at all, especially with that new ban on Russian ammo. It's becoming more and more difficult. So 54 cents a round is a lot more than I would normally pay for this stuff, but I grabbed it anyway. And like I said, I was shocked. Came home stripper clips because I didn't know that. So I don't know if I've mentioned it in another video, but I do have an SKS, and I do like it's all original, no Tapco or Crapco or whatever you want to call it. So I do like to use the stripper clips when I use it. Now I only have like 3 stripper clips, so I'm pretty excited about this. But anyway guys, I brought this one to you, so maybe somebody out there knows a little bit more about this ammunition than me, and if you do, please let me know, or say something in the comments or something so we know a little bit more about it. Is it corrosive? Is it not? A little bit of the history about it, anything would be nice. So appreciate it guys.